Hey friends, a while back Karl O did a video on he made popcorn in a can over an open flame, and I thought to myself, how hard could that be to do or duplicate? So I decided to go into the kitchen, grab this pan right here that needs to be cleaned again apparently because it's still a little bit dirty. Grab some oil, and this is popcorn oil. Pour a little bit at the bottom of the pan. Probably that looks to be a little bit over 1/8 of an inch. Grab some good old-fashioned corn of pop, throw it in a pot, and see if I could duplicate what he did. One little problem. I put too much freaking popcorn in there. And as you can guess, the lid freaking flew off. I got yelled at. The dogs are pretty happy about the whole situation. And it didn't work out. So I figured today while I'm going to try to make some popcorn since I've got this huge freaking bag in my cook box, which I just did a video about. And you'll be seeing that a little bit later. And see if I can duplicate it without exploding the popcorn. Now Karl does a much better job than I do, and I guarantee I probably should cover the top of the kernels up with oil because it doesn't look like there's enough in there. And this is, I don't know if you can see that, butter flavor oil. So it should come out pretty tasty. Since where I'm at, you're not allowed to have a fire, we're just going to go ahead and use my good old trusty stove that for a brief second I thought was empty. Okay, so basically it's just like Jiffy Pop. You got to keep it moving. But first we're going to heat the oil up, which shouldn't take very long at all. We're starting to get some bubbles in there. Definitely keep it moving so it doesn't burn, especially when it starts to pop. There's our bubbles coming up. And as soon as I see the first kernel get out of control, we're going to put the lid in and hope for the best. Okay, we've had our first little pop of corn, which means we need to put the lid on because from here out, things are going to move hella fast. And yes, for the most part, we're going to be doing this in real time because it's not going to take long at all. Oh boy, here we go. Please don't be a repeat of last time. Oh crap. Well, as you can see, I screwed up again. Way too much popcorn. But I would say, all in all, besides the animals eating really good tonight, that was a success. So if you get a chance, that's really good. And for once, I'm not burning my mouth. Check out his video. He does a much better job than I did. Sorry, Karl. I think I let you down. Like always, friends, thanks for watching.